Hey everyone, today we are going to go out for a little tour around the neighborhood with a special guest that you haven't seen for a while. And that guest is this dude right here. I got him all cleaned up and my GoPro is mounted so we can go hit the road. There's a walking trail that hugs one of the freeways close by and it's all nice and paved. I've actually been on it before, but I've never gone the direction that I'm going. So I'm going to carry this down and we will hit the road. My destination is about 1.5 miles away, the trailhead, so it's going to be a bit of a hike, but I think that it's going to be a nice ride. So let's go.
Every 4 computers now have primary control of critical vehicle functions.
Nothing wrong with a little pit stop at Dutch Brothers. I wasn't planning on that, but hey, it worked out. Well, I can't come up here and not videotape myself. I didn't realize that I'd be able to go over the highway. This is the Loop 202 that's westbound behind me toward Phoenix. Kind of neat. I didn't realize I could make it across. So it looks like the trail starts at Cosmo Park, and there's a dog park here. We wouldn't be able to bring my daughter's dogs down here. They wouldn't go for that. It's a nice little park. You got the water down there, that's nice. Maybe I'll go down there for a minute.
Liftoff is making 41B, the first flight of the orbiter Discovery, and the shuttle has cleared the tower.
You know, the cool thing about the Segway, when it's not yelling at me for going too fast, is that it is super easy to just kind of naturally ride it. You know, once you get your balance, it just becomes a part of you and your natural kind of movement, and you can kind of forget that it's there. So I've got my coffee and stuff. You can watch the squirrels as they go by, but it's just kind of neat. It's surprising how easy it is to ride. Well, that was fun. It was nice to get out for a little while, and I even got my coffee while I was out. So everybody wins. Thanks for coming along, and until next time, have a great day.